business owner, what of if you wake up to get qualified leads? I'm just talking about people who are actually ready to buy your product. Okay. So right now I'm going to be showing you the opportunity that nobody's actually talking about right now. You see, AI is going to change marketing forever. And whether we like it or not, it's going to change whereby your competitors are going to use it against you. So right now is the best moment for you to actually start implementing AI. Okay. So right now, I want you to see AI as your marketing brainer that never sleeps, goes further to research, goes further to actually run ads, and goes further to show you exactly where your money is. I'm talking about an AI digital marketing system right now that every service-based business out there are currently using it right now. Nobody is actually telling you what is behind the system. Okay, every business has a system. Okay, so right now I'm going to make you an AI system that is more, personal to your business workflow. Okay, so right now let's jump into it. Okay, the problem most business owners have is they guess a lot. You see, you are doing more on guessing the market, and right now there are so many data that are out there that you need to actually have an insight of those data. You have an insight of this information. Right now, most real estate business, most real estate agents and business owners are flying blind. You see, they do random ad, boosted posts, praying for results to actually come out. The issue isn't lack of effort, it is lack of data. You see, you can't scale what you can't measure. And you can't scale what you can measure without having an insight. So currently you are throwing money, into a void, and it's absolutely non-ethical for me. You see, right now, the old way of generating leads is a very, very tough way where I see business owner, gets into the market, throwing the money. I myself have been in that position, getting the market, throwing a lot of money. So right now, that is why I have seen the best opportunity out there that every business owner right now needs. Okay. So I'll be showing you right now the best way. Now, I want you to meet an AI CMO. Now, I know most of you might know a CMO, which is like a chief marketing officer. Now, why am I talking about a CMO? You see, every business out there can't just have a chief marketing officer. It's some business will say it's costly, right? Right now, any business or any business owner, whether you're a one-man company, can actually own an AI CMO, more like an artificial intelligence CMO. Now, what does an artificial intelligence CMO does? It goes more on marketing research, understands your buyer deeply, your competitor analysis, reviews what actually works. Now, you're no more on guessing mode because you're alone. And it has a conversion strategy where you're going to build offer that are going to close deals. Okay. Now, an AI CMO is, is more like your personal marketing officer. It studies your market, analyzes the competitor ad, tells you exactly what content and offers are converting, and it shows you who your buyers are, what they search for when they are mostly active. So this is more like a plug and play marketing intelligence. I want you guys to see and understand right now. You see, normally, and we have a human whereby a human CMO, goes in, does the marketing research, the competitor analysis, and the conversion rate. Now I'm telling you that the difference between the human CMO and an AI CMO is speed. Okay, the human CMO might be very professional in what they're doing, but I can still tell you that AI can be more professional and at the same time have speed. AI has speed and can close this for you that will take maybe this that will take 1 month, 3 months. A CMO will actually solve it in less than 1 minute. Okay, I know you guys won't believe it, but right now I'm going to show you. Okay, now I want to go more on real estate. Now I want real estate owners or real estate agents from random to targeted ways of actually them generating it. See, I'm going to show you the old way versus the new way of AI. Okay, now the old way, you're going to post ad randomly, hope people will see them. There's no timing strategy, just more like a generic message. Okay, because why you can't be you can be everything, whereby you're trying to grow this company or you're trying to grow your business. You don't have the cash to actually hire someone who will do that. So I see most business owners out there doing this themselves. And whereby we have the AI way. Now, the AI way has the best thing, the best opportunity right now that your competitors are actually using. Okay, you do not need bigger systems. Okay, right now, these are AI systems that you can actually afford. Okay, and right now is the best opportunity out there because in 2025, business owners or businesses out there, we use AI in its standard mode, no more a basic mode or an advanced mode. It will become very standard for every business. Okay, so do not let your competitor outpace you in that way. Okay, now AI is going to go by targeting the search intent. Okay, and AI, which is our AI agent, one AI CMO, is going to go into the market, see who is actually ready to buy. Okay, that's like more like an intent. Now it's going to reach at the peak times where these guys who are actually buying this are available, whether maybe that's the timing. Now it's going to deploy a proven ad hooks, okay, that converts ready buyers. Now I'm going to show you the ad hooks that this AI does, okay, that's going to be so simple. Now, Let's say, for an example, where I'm located at now, I'm staying in Nigeria. People searching for three-bedroom duplex in Lekki are mostly active to 6 to 9 p.m. And this is more like what an AI CMO did, and it's actually true. So an AI is going to build the hook that actually convert. So the first hook one is going to own this home, maybe with 5 million deposit, right? So this is the first hook. Own this home with 5 million deposit. That's the sharp hook. Let's say someone is scrolling, you want to hook that person to your content. The second hook is top 3 smart. So you can see the three hooks. So you're not doing no longer, posting blindly, and you're targeting buyers who are ready to act on your product. Okay. Now, CMO doesn't just work for businesses, it works for agencies. Okay. Now we are for agencies or B2B, platforms like an AI CMO can find high value clients, okay, test your offers and predict what convert before you spend even a dime. So it's already going to show you already what's on your dashboard, show you the full funnel from traffic to qualified leads to a booker. So the three things an AI CMO is going to give you, and that's what you actually did in your business: traffic, leads, and booked calls. So in traffic, it's going to give you the right direct audience, the right time. At least it's going to qualify the leads who are actually interested. Then it's going to book calls. All you do is to call and close those deals. Okay, that's what you actually do in the business. Time to show you the results of what an AI CMO does in your business. Okay, now the results speaks for themselves. Why I have tested this and what it has done to I and my team. It's simple. An AI CMO is going to reduce your ad cost. Now it's going to make you stop wasting budget on guesses, because I was actually doing that in the early days where I go and guessing right more. And AI is going to give you 3x more of your leads, and AI is also going to 2 times or 3 times close your deals very fast. Now, business using AI CMO are cutting ad cost and tripling the lead, all because they didn't did guessing, and they did guessing and started using data. So it's best you do that. Now, the real question I want to actually ask you is, how many leads could you close if you had an AI system running 247, doing researching on buyers, testing your offers, and telling you exactly what works? Now, I want you to stop chasing leads, start attracting. See, buyers who want to work with you are already searching, and that's what you guys need to know. You see, the old way of generating leads never allowed you to actually know this. The old way of generating leads always made you to actually go more like a dog. You're going to chase. But I can literally tell you that, yeah, actually every day in Google, you have buyers who are actually looking for your product. But the difference is, how do I bring myself out there? How do I bring myself to the top one spot? And that's why you have competition and in the market. Okay. So right now, an AI CMO is going to differentiate you from the others. Okay. Right now, you might not have, $12,000, $60,000 to actually pay, a human CMO. But I can tell you that a small business owner, large agencies can actually use AI CMO. So AI is now marketing businesses in a standard mode, no more, an advanced mode where you see you have an agency different from a small business mode. Okay, you have an agency different from a small business mode. Or an agency is going to always give you a top flight because you're a small business owner. So it's just more like an operation. But I'm telling you that the way AI is going, you don't actually need to actually, be like an advanced agency before you start making hundreds of thousands of dollars, okay, right now. So I will also ask you, if you want to get 15 to qualified leads monthly, I'm offering a one-on-one strategy section. I'm not pitching you out. I'm not giving you any flow. It's just more like a personalized breakdown of how to plug AI into your business. So it starts working smarter, whether you are out there, developing a business. AI is going to close those deals very, very fast. And I promise you that this is absolutely free. And I'm going to run audit on your business and see how AI can 10x your deals for you. Okay. So moving forward, if you're ready to stop guessing, I want you to like this video, comment, and book a call with me. I got my link on my one-on-one strategy free call in the description below. All I need you to do is to click the link and get that free call. So if you want to get your next qualified lead already by starting right now, let's plug AI into your business and make sure that they find you. So start using AI in 2025 right now. That is the best earning moment you could ever have. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. And I will get back to you in the next video.